Chef Ricardo cooking program. We all know that is March. Well, what's gonna happen in March is Mother's Day, the 15th of March, which is gonna be a beautiful day. One of the best time of the year is Mother's Day, because everyone who come in this world have a mother. I want to say to you, I'm gonna do a special mother's recipe, salmon recipe, guys, with some white wine. This recipe is gonna be really nice, and I want to say happy Mother's Day one more time, and bless every mothers. We love you guys, and we pray for more blessing upon your soul. Well, this Mother's Day recipe gonna be really different, totally different, and this one gonna be from Chef Ricardo, and it's gonna be the best of the best, because we love our mothers, and we have to do the best for our mothers. So guys, hopefully you guys will just look out for the recipe, share someone with the recipe, and we know that the 15th of March in London gonna be Mother's Day. Before the 15th, I'm gonna do that recipe that you can get it to prepare for your mothers. If you don't want to take your mother to a nice lovely restaurant, if you want to give your mother a treat at home by doing such a nice recipe like what I'm gonna do, you can do that also. So guys, as I said, every mother's happy Mother's Day. We wish you all the best, have a wonderful time, and we pray that you will have a blessed, wonderful day. Happy Mother's Day one more time again from Chef Ricardo and the team. God bless you all.